Hello friends, today we will do chapter number 6 of Civics, Understanding our Criminal Justice System of India. Four key players in the criminal justice system are the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer and the judge. Our first topic is, what is the role of police in investigating a crime? One important function of the police is to investigate any complaint about the commission of a crime. An investigation includes recording statements of witnesses and collecting different kinds of evidence. On the basis of the investigation, the police are required to form an opinion. If the police think that the evidence points to the guilt of the accused person, then they file a charge sheet in the court. It is not the job of the police to decide whether a person is guilty or innocent. That is for the judge to decide. Now we will talk about that what are the fundamental rights of accused person. The right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offense for which the person is being arrested. The right to be presented before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest. The right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody. Confessions made in police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused. A boy under 15 years of age and women cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. Next topic is D.K. Basu Guidelines. The police officials who carry out the arrest or interrogation should wear clear, accurate and visible identification and name tags with their designations. A memo of arrest should be prepared at the time of arrest and should include the time and date of arrest. It should also be attested by at least one witness who could include a family member of the person arrested. The arrest memo should be countersigned by the person arrested. The person arrested, detained or interrogated has a right to inform a relative, friend or well-wisher. When a friend or relative lives outside the district, the time, place of arrest and venue of custody must be notified by police within 8 to 12 hours after arrest. First Information Report, FIR. It is with the registration of an FIR that the police can begin their investigations into a crime. The law states that it is compulsory for an officer in charge of a police station to register an FIR whenever a person gives information about a cognizable offense. The FIR usually mentions the date, time, and place of the offense, details the basic facts of the offense, including a description of the events. The FIR also states the name and address of the complainant. There is a prescribed form in which the police registers an FIR and it is signed by the complainant. The complainant also has a legal right to get a free copy of the FIR from the police. Now we will learn what is the role of the public prosecutor in investigating any crime. In court, it is the public prosecutor who represents the interests of the state. The role of the prosecutor begins once the police has conducted the investigation and filed charge sheet in the court. He or she has no role to play in the investigation. The prosecutor must conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state. As an officer of the court, it is his or her duty to act impartially and present the full material facts, witnesses and evidence before the court to enable the court to decide case. Now comes the role of the judge. The judge is like an umpire in a game and conducts the trial impartially and in an open court. The judge hears all the witnesses and any other evidence presented by the defense and the prosecution. The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence presented and in accordance with the law. If the accused is convinced, then the judge pronounces the sentence. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes.